Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Poor Man Eats. I'm at my first on location shoot today, and today we're going to be eating Wendy's, one of my favorite fast food places, and I got the $5 Biggie Bag that they just came out with, and we're going to see how it is. The sandwich isn't as big as it looks on the picture, but we'll see if it fills me up. They only give you a small drink, but we'll find out if this is worth $5. Burger's pretty good. I'm a little nervous because there's a lot of people here, and I'm speaking to my phone. But basically, we get a double bacon burger, medium fry, and 5-piece nugget. I like ranch with my nuggets. What kind of dipping sauce do you guys like on your nuggets? Sometimes I like honey mustard on occasion. Burger's really good, as always. I love Wendy's, my second favorite fast food chain. I don't get to eat at Wendy's as much as I would like to. I usually eat Burger King more than anything else. These nuggets are really good. This is filling me up better than I thought it would though. I will say that. I am drinking a sweet iced tea. I love my sweet iced tea. I didn't upload last night because something came up. And I was not able to upload anything. But it worked out for the best because now I get to do this, which I would much rather do. I'm mixing ketchup and mayonnaise together for my French fries. I love ketchup and mayonnaise. Have you guys tried the new ketchup mayo that they came out with? It's awesome. If you guys like ketchup and mayonnaise, you should try it. If you haven't tried it yet.
No, 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 not your drink. You put your food in there. That a girl. Drink.
This is turned out to be a lot more filling than I thought it would be. If you have a really big appetite, I don't recommend it. But if you don't need much to get satisfied, you should definitely get this. This is my first time trying it. I normally get the number 2, the Dave's Double Meal. I walked in, I saw this, I saw the picture. I'm like, ooh, I should try that for my channel. Well, all I got left is my French fries. I'm going to finish eating these. And I'm going to get out of here. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be eating at more fast food places and restaurants later on. I don't know when the next one's going to be, but I'm probably going to be eating at my house again for a while. So until the next time I see you guys, love you all. God bless.